Welcome friends. In this training, I'm going to show you how you can use any of the existing templates here to create your form and of course export it and use it on your website. So if you come around here, you can click here to create a blank form just like we did earlier on. But these are all templates you can use. So you can see contact information, RSVP, find a time, party invite, t-shirt sign up. So if you click here, you see more. So all these are forms that are available for you to use, and even feedback form, order form, job application form, time off request, work request, customer feedback. So instead of designing all this from scratch, you can take advantage of all this. So I'm going to create, I'm going to pick this customer feedback form. So I'm clicking on it. So once I click on it, the system has built it up for me. So you can see it has a logo here on top. Then of course it has other information like customer feedback, so customer feedback, then you have comments, questions, then you have long answer, feedback, long answer, this for improvement, name, and email. So if I'm going to take this exactly the way it is here, then what I can do will be to click on send. So on send, clicking on send, I will just need to have the link. So I'm going to shorten this link and I'll click here. So by copying this link, I have automatically set this form for use. So if I type that link anywhere, I can open to this form and fill it. Let me just show you what I mean. For example, now I will come around here, feedback type. So what do you want to do? Which of them? I will pick comments. Then what's your answer? Feedback. You're doing well. I love your ability to respond to requests on time. Then solution for improvement. Keep doing it. Okay, so you can say timely request. I can call this timely request. Feedback timely request is lacking, for example. Then here you can say request on time. Then my name, you can say John. Then email, I'll type my email. So once I do this, I'll click submit. So this form has been submitted. I can also still edit my response anytime. So now that it has been submitted, where am I going to view it? So of course, if I click on response, I can see that one person has responded, and from here I can click on the Google Sheet to see the work that has been done. So where do I see all the responses? Anytime I log into my mailbox and I go down and click on forms, then I click on form, then click on the project that I have, I can always view my responses here, or I can click to view from Excel. So now, how do I send this link to people? So I'm going to open my website. So I'll type localhost. I'm going to the administrator. Then I'll log into the administrator. So I'm typing my password, so I'll go in. So if I click here, I will view my website. So this is myself. So I'm going to add a new tab and I'll click the link to the feedback form. So I'll just go to menu. Then I click on main menu. On the main menu environment, I will add new menu. I'll add new menu. So add new menu. Then I'll call this feedback. Once I'll call it feedback, then I will now come here and select the type. So because it's a link, so what I will now do will be to come down to system links. Then I'll type URL, system links URL. Then I'll paste that link here. I'll paste the link to the form, and so it's going to be on its own. But it's going to be on its own. It's going to be on its own. So once I do this, I'll just click save and close. So you can see that it has put the feedback directly after contact. So I'm going to change that position. Let me refresh and show you where it is. So I have feedback here. So anytime I click on feedback, it opens. I click on feedback, it opens to the form. So I can fill the form and submit anytime. I can always return back to. So now what I'm going to do will be to move this one over here. Just change the position, the order. So how do I do that? So to do that, I'll press here, drag over here, and of course you can see feedback now is now on top of this. So once I do that, and I'll now go back and click on my side, you can see feedback is here. So I can always click here to see the feedback form. So here anybody can fill it, and I can rely on my Google form to see the response. So that's how you can link your feedback form to your website or any form for that matter after creating the URL. Thank you for listening.